opinion. I'd like introduce you to Flaxy, my adorable breed. We got his name based on his adorable breed. We got his name based on his color, Flaxy, and CY from our old dog how passed away. He may be small, but his personality quickly huge with fluffy fur, bright eyes, Flaxy has quickly become the heart of my home. Always full of energy. He loves to chase toys, cuddle up, explore new places, bringing endless joy to my days. That's why love him. Joy to my days. That's why I love him. Joy to my days. That's why I can't wait. Joy to my days. That's why I love him. I can't wait for you.